Well, g'day curd nerds. You've caught me writing my book, the next volume of Keep Calm and Make More Cheese, which is the title I'm using at the moment. But anyway, that aside, I'm closely approaching 100,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel. And to celebrate, what I'm doing is I'm having a giveaway. Now the giveaway is a hard cheese kit, which is worth about 101 Australian dollars. I don't know what that translates in your currency, but it's fairly expensive here in Australia. It has everything that you need to start making cheese at home, except for the milk, of course. Anyway, you'll find the details of the giveaway, the link that you need to click on, below in the description. Now, it's pretty clever, this giveaway, that you get more chances to enter the more you share and the more you like and subscribe to various social media channels. So I do urge you to pop over using the link below to go and enter the giveaway. Hopefully I'm not very far. I think I'm about 99,000 subscribers. So I'm getting very close to the 100,000 mark. And as people who watch YouTube pretty often know, that creators then get given a silver play button, or a silver play award, I think they are called today. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to go and enter the competition or the giveaway, where you'll win a hard cheese kit. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next cheese making video.